Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if books aren't downloading on your Amazon Kindle 11. First of all, swipe down the control center, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and run the syncing process by tapping right here. Now if this by itself doesn't help you, you can also try restarting your tablet by holding down the power button for about 5 seconds until the options menu appears on your screen. Select restart here and wait until your Kindle is restarted. And if your books don't appear in your library even after that, try checking your device's storage. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner, open settings, and go to device options, select storage management, and make sure that you have enough storage to install a new book on your Kindle. Also, you can try to re-sign in to your account. To do that, go to your account, select the register device, confirm, now be aware that this will also delete all the books from your Kindle, so you're gonna have to reinstall them after that, and then go back to register your Kindle and sign in to your account once again. Enter your email address or phone number, tap next, and then enter your account's password. Okay, I accidentally made a mistake here. Okay, now we're gonna have to enter the password and tap sign in. And after that, our library will refresh and all the books that are registered to our account will appear in the library. Let's just wait until the authentication is finished. Let's close settings. And now let's run the synchronization, or just wait until the books appear in our library. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.